Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add someone to your contacts on Zoom. This is a simple and quick process that will help you easily connect with friends, colleagues, or clients. So, let's get started. To add someone to your contacts on Zoom, first of all, open the Zoom app on your desktop and make sure you are logged in. Click on the three dots, More, and from the drop down menu, select Contacts. From here, you can add someone by clicking on the plus icon. Select Invite a Zoom user to connect. A pop-up box will appear. You need to enter the email address to send the contact request along with the personalized message. After entering the email address, click Send. After the person with the email address accepts, the contact will be added. They will then appear in your contact list and you can instantly message or call them. And that's it. Now you know how to add someone to your Zoom contacts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.